Welcome to all. This is Janita from EEE department, and I am going to share you the videos related to basic engineering. Theory I will give you as a soft copy. Now we can see one of the problem. So you pause the video and make a problem in your note. This is one of the 16 mark problem, important problem, and I will give you assignment related to this problem. Okay. What is the question given? Determine the total current taken from the source. Okay, so we have to find the current. Okay, now so we have to simplify this circuit first. Okay, so what is the condition here? The circuit is full of resistance, so you have to apply rule whether it is series or whether it is parallel. Okay, now when the resistance are connected in series, what is the procedure is R1 plus R2. That is, when two resistance are in series, the condition is you have to add the both resistance. Okay, this is for series. Next, what is the condition for parallel? Okay, now when both resistance R1 and R2 is parallel, then what is the rule means R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. So this is the condition when the resistance is in series and when the condition is in parallel. So this is for parallel. Okay, now when the both resistance are same, okay, same number, that means example this 50 and this 50 is in same, then what is the condition means you have to divide that resistance by 2. Okay, this condition is applicable only for parallel condition. When the circuit is parallel, when the resistance is connected parallel and both the resistance are in same value, then you have to divide it by 2. Okay. Okay, now you see you have to simplify this resistance. Okay, so this is the circuit and you shouldn't start from here. Okay, because the circuit is complex. So without disturbing the circuit, you have to take the thing. Okay, so now check, we can take this two resistance and also this two resistance. So these two resistance are connected in series. Okay, how will you identify the resistance is series or parallel? You can check. When the one end of the resistance is connected to another, then that is a series connection. Parallel connection means when the both ends are connected to another resistance, that is parallel. Okay, so now this 50 ohm resistance and this 50 ohm resistance are connected in series. Similarly, this both resistance are also connected in series. So what is the condition when both resistance are in series? When both resistance are in series, we have to add the both resistance. Okay, then what is the condition? 50 plus 50, the thing 100 ohm. So you can make changes here. Okay, so you have to draw another circuit. Okay, I will make changes in this circuit. You have to draw separate diagram for this. Okay, so what is the 50 plus 50? 100. Similarly, 100 plus 100, this also series, so you have to add the both resistance. Then here answer is 200, isn't it? So 100 plus 100, here 200, here 50 plus 50, 100. Okay, then you can make changes here. Okay, now you have to make changes in this diagram. So that what is that? R1 plus R2, that is 50 plus 50, 100 ohm. Okay, then you draw the diagram here. Now you make the changes. So this value you have to replace here. So that is 100 ohm. Similarly, here also you have to make the change. Then what is the answer here? Already we have 100 and 100 ohm. Then answer is a 200 ohm. Then you draw the thing. This is 200 ohm. Okay. Now where you can simplify? You check this both things are in parallel condition.